I'm Rebecca Brand. This is my trip to Zurich, Switzerland. Zurich is the capital of Switzerland and the financial capital of the world. I toured my favorite places in Zurich, which included an art museum. I stayed at the Widder Hotel, which is 9 townhouses assembled together by a real estate developer right in the heart of Zurich. Swiss Deluxe Hotels gave me this incredible tour. The rooms are up this amazing glass elevator. The hotel has 128 rooms and mini suites as well. My room was 308 and I got the grand tour. It was beautiful and spacious and filled with antiques. It had a desk. And it came with a great mini bar where everything was free for the taking. That was kind of fun. My view was of Old Town. I got to see all the Middle Ages buildings right there. This room had a king-size bed with beautiful linens. They had this interesting table that went up and down, and all kinds of contemporary designs, including a light that had all these special features designed by a famous artist that you could do all kinds of your own private light shows if you wanted to. The bathroom was completely modern. The hotel had just been remodeled, had lovely marble, and wonderful spa supplies came with the room. It even had a TV on the mirror. The Widder Hotel is close to the Bahnhofstrasse, which is great for shopping, and walkable distance to Lake Zurich. I walked all over the city, including a wonderful evening stroll next to the river Limmat. The town was charming. And into the river was a really friendly swan. All kinds of people go out in the evening in Zurich. The streets were charming. They were all lined with beautiful Swiss flags. One of my visits was to the Kunsthaus in Zurich. They had a Matisse exhibit. I got to see one of my favorite artists in all the world. And upstairs was Monet, the father of Impressionism. They had true water lilies paintings. These were huge. They were all over this special room. I got to get up really close and look at the texture of Monet's oil paints on this huge canvas. I could see an entire full brushstrokes. I had the luxury of being able to relax by myself in this huge room of Monet works. I was so lucky because on my visit there was nobody even in the room, and I wanted to show you that with my twirl. In the evening, I took another stroll on the river Limmat. It was so romantic with the beautiful hues of the sunset fading onto the river. The Widder restaurant is located right in the hotel, and it's such a special restaurant. The items are incredibly gourmet. And that young guy there, well, that's Tino Stobe. He's an exciting young chef, and he creates with passion and beautiful of the best ingredients. That is a sushi salmon dish, and that one is ahi. Oh, and he even made American barbecue for me, Swiss style. That was sure fun to have those pork spare ribs. And then there was the duck. Oh my goodness, the duck had incredible side dishes of sweet potatoes. Well, when dessert came, they made all these special homemade dipped ice cream bars. There was almond crumble on top for that special crunch. The staff was friendly and efficient. The Swiss people are so friendly. I went through the restaurant with my camera. There was a lot of groups together, and I got a lot of waves on my camera. That was really fun. And after dinner, I made it down to the Widder Bar, which has historically been such a great jazz bar and still is today. I had so much fun with this wonderful piano player and singer, and the people around us were having a good time too. I was with my dear friend Heidi, who is my traveling companion. And that bar is known for the most amazing library of whiskeys and scotches in all of Europe. You've got to check this out. They had many special collections. It was just a marvel to take a look at the hundreds and hundreds of bottles they had. I've never seen anything like it.
My heart's with you, holding hands in your heart to see you. All blue don't long. Remember how we love.
I finished it off with a few more songs with my dear friend Heidi, and we had such a great time. My stay was too short. The next day I had to jump on the train, which is the Swiss Federal Railway, and off to the next destination I went. The ticket taker was so nice and friendly, we became Facebook friends. He took my ticket and gave me lots of directions and insights on where to go. The train ride was spectacular going through the Swiss Alps. Stay tuned for my review of the Dolder Grand in Zurich, where the views are spectacular. I could see the lake from my room. Also, Swiss Deluxe Hotels have the Bar au Lac, that is on the lake in Zurich, another luxury resort. I was on the Tour des Swiss Deluxe Hotels. I'm Rebecca Brand. Come join me on my